I am Nagarjun B, Computer Science Lecturer, Hosapete. The basic and the smallest units of an C program are called as an C tokens and have been classified into 6 types. They are keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, operators, special symbols. In every language, the basic and the smallest units are called tokens. Since it is a C language, these are called as an C tokens. Keywords. Keywords are a standard identifiers that have a predefined meaning in case of an C language. All keywords are in lowercase letters and these keywords meaning in any circumstances cannot be changed or altered. That is, they are the prefix and we cannot make any changes to the meaning of an keywords. If we try to change, then it will give an error. In C, both uppercase and lowercase letters can be used and those are significant. Some points to remember regarding the keywords are keywords can be used only for their intended purpose. Keywords cannot be used as programmer defined identifier. Keywords cannot be used as a names for variables. These are the standard keywords and we can see that all these keywords are in the lowercase letter. Here also we can observe all of them are in the lowercase letter. At any circumstances, you cannot make any alter to these keywords. Even you cannot write them in a capital letters also. If you write in capital letter, then also it will give an error because these are the standard and those should be written in the same way as it has been predefined and with the same meaning which has been already defined. Identifiers. Identifiers are the names that are given to the various programming elements such as variables, symbolic constants and functions. Basically, identifiers are nothing but a sequence of alphabets and digits. That is, these are the combination of alphabets and digits. They have been formed by using alphabets and digits and only one special character is allowed and that one special character is an underscore symbol. The rules for forming identifier names are identifier name must be a sequence of letter and digits. That is, it should be a combination of letters and digits. Identifier first character must be an alphabet. Either it might be an uppercase or it might be a lowercase letter or even it can be an underscore. The underscore character is considered as a letter which we use while declaring an identifier. Names should not be keyword, that is int, float, if, break. These are the keywords and these we cannot use them as an identifiers. Both uppercase letter and lowercase letters are allowed. However, they are not interchangeable and they have been treated differently. They are significant. No identifier may be a keyword. No two successive underscores are allowed. As I told, identifier will be a combination of alphabets and digits and only one special symbol allowed is an underscore. But you cannot use two successive underscores. ಅಂದರೆ continuous ಆಗಿ ಎರಡು underscore ನ use ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Then no special characters such as semicolon, period, blank space, slash, etc. are permitted. Means we cannot use any special symbols other than the underscore. Identifier cannot start with an digit. That means whatever the identifiers you are going to declare, they can be a combination of letters and digits, but it should not start with an digit. That is, it should not start with a number. Examples of legal and illegal identifiers are, first we shall see some legal identifiers, that is which are a valid one. Example, float, space, underscore number, semicolon, float, space a, semicolon, int, space, radius, underscore, of, underscore, circle, semicolon, char, space, your name, within the square bracket 30, semicolon. So these are a valid or a legal identifier and these have been declared with keeping in mind all the rules to declare the identifiers. The following are the illegal identifiers. First one, float, space, colon, e, semicolon. This is invalid because it is starting with an semicolon. Float space for semicolon, it is invalid because for is a keyword. Float space 9 pi semicolon, it is invalid because it is starting with a digit. Int point 3.14 semicolon, this is invalid because starting with a special symbol, that is a dot. Constants. The term constant means a quantity which does not change during the execution of a program. If you try to make any changes to such a quantity, then the program will give an error. It's a pictorial representation of a C constants. C constants has been classified into numerical constants and non-numerical constants. Again, the numerical constants has been classified into integer constants, floating constants. Non-numeric constants has been classified into character constants and string constants. Strings. A string is a group of characters enclosed in quotation marks or a pair of double quotes. A string is always embedded with a null character at the end of a string to indicate the termination of a string. For example, if I written within double quotes Nagarjun, it will be considered as a string. Even if I write, for example, within the double quotes 1 2 3, it is also considered as a string. That means whatever you are going to write within the double quotes or within a quotation marks, those will be considered as an string, and it is always appended with a null character at the end. Operators. Operator is a symbol which specify the compiler the type of operation to be carried out. Example, plus indicates addition. Similarly, asterisk indicates multiplication. Special characters or special symbols. The various symbols which are available in a keyboard and which we can use in a C programming language are called as special symbols. Example, comma, period, colon, semicolon, etc. So these are the special symbols which we can see. These are all the other special symbols which are available and which we can use in C programming language. Click on like and subscribe button for more information regarding computer science subjects. Thank you.